for computer. Today I will show you the parts of computers and we will learn how to switch on and switch off the computer. Okay? Children, you can see this is the CPU. CPU is called brain of a computer. Okay? Now I am going to switch on this first. First we have to switch on this CPU. Okay? Now you can see the monitor. This is the monitor. It looks like a TV screen. You can see some digits and some words are there. Now it's written starting Windows. Okay. Now here you can see the camera. This is web camera. Okay. This it help us to do the communication. Okay. Fine. This is the screen. Now you can see the screen has on. Now this is keyboard. Okay, what is this? This is keyboard. Fine. Keyboard, it has so many keys. Some numeric keys are there, alphabetical keys are there, backspace, space bar is there. Okay. Now and some function keys are there. It is from F1 to F12. Okay. Delete key, enter key, shift key, control key, alter key, caps lock key. Okay. So many keys are there. You can see over here in these keys there are some symbols also. There are some symbols also. Okay. So we can see the numeric keys here also and here also. As it is, there are two enter keys in the keyboard. That is the number 1 is here and number 2 is here. Okay. Now this is the backspace key. This key help us to remove the thing which we have typed by mistake. Okay. As it is, shift keys are also there. One is here, one is here. Okay. Then we delete key. Okay. This is the delete key. Okay. One more delete key is there. You can see. Fine. These are arrow keys. Okay. Up arrow, down arrow, and these are the side arrows. Fine. This is home key. This is end key. This is insert key. Okay. These are some main keys. Fine. Now I will show you the mouse. This is mouse. You can see this is the scroll wheel. Right click. This is left key, left click. This is right click. Okay. So this is mouse and it help us to drag the things or pictures. Fine. Understand? I hope you all understand. Now I am going to show you some more things, like these are the friends of computers. We have learned about this. These are the speakers. Okay, these are speakers. Now I am going to show you what is this. This is headphone. Okay, headphone. And here you can speak with this. This is the mic. Okay, it is used for mic and we can put it on her head. And ये जो है इसके ये ear plugs, ये आपको ears पे आप wear करते हैं. Okay, so we can see here. See, the monitor has on. You can see the picture. You can draw. You can write. You can watch movies. You can listen songs. Everything. Okay. So I hope you all understand what is the process. So first of all, what we have done we start from the switching on the CPU, then monitor. Okay, correct. Okay, now I will tell you how to switch off the computer. Fine. First of all, what we will do, we will use this mouse. We will use this mouse. Now I will click from this side. Okay, so see, look at the desktop. This is desktop. Okay, now you can see here window. This is the sign of window. We can click here. Now you can see shutdown is written here. Now we will click the shutdown. Okay, now we will wait. Now shutting down is there. You can see the shutting down is written there. We have to wait. We should not switch off the computer. Okay. So children, I hope you understand how to switch on and switch off the computer. Fine. Whenever we will switch on the computer, that time also, and when we switch off the computer, until and unless जब तक इसका shutdown proper हो नहीं जाता, till then we cannot switch off the main switch. Okay, understand? And we have to take care about these devices. We have to protect them from the dust and other things. We should not eat anything. We should not drink anything. If you want to drink milk or water, you have to go separately and then drink or eat something. Okay, because if the water or milk or anything will spill on that devices, then the devices will be damaged. Okay, I hope you all understand about this. This is the practical, and if you have your own PC at home, you have to revise this process so that you will understand. Okay, thank you.